Welcome to our guide on how to migrate your website from WordPress to Laravel without damaging your SEO rankings. We'll cover the essential, step-by-step process to ensure your organic search traffic remains protected during this transition. Why migrate to Laravel? While WordPress powers much of the web, businesses often outgrow it. Laravel provides superior performance, better scalability for high-traffic applications, enhanced security features, and the freedom to build custom functionality without the constraints of plugin bloat. Poor migration strategies often lead to traffic drops of up to 60% caused by broken URLs and lost keyword rankings. Without proper 301 redirects, search engines see your new site as entirely new content, resetting your authority and potentially requiring months of recovery time. This is our recommended 6-phase workflow. It begins with a thorough audit and backup, followed by development, SEO setup, a staged launch, and ongoing monitoring. Following this timeline helps you minimize risks and aim for a successful transition within 6 weeks. Step 1 is performing a full website audit. Establish a baseline by collecting data on all indexed URLs, current traffic patterns, keyword rankings, and backlinks. Use professional tools like Screaming Frog and Google Analytics to create a comprehensive migration plan. Step 2 is exporting your current URLs. Before changing any code, document every page, post, and category. This master spreadsheet acts as your single source of truth for the entire migration process, ensuring nothing is left behind. Step 3 is creating a full website backup. You must secure your database, files, themes, and media library. Always test your restoration procedures before proceeding, and ensure your backups are stored in multiple locations, including cloud storage. Step 4 focuses on preserving your SEO signals. Carefully document your existing title tags, meta descriptions, schema markup, and internal linking structures. These elements are vital for maintaining your current rankings and search results. Step 5 involves preparing your Laravel infrastructure. Set up your environment with 8 Philippine pesos and 20 centavos or higher, appropriate database servers, and modern caching solutions like Redis. Utilizing tools like Laravel Sale and environment variables will help ensure a clean, secure development foundation. Step 6 is migrating the database. Map your WordPress tables to Laravel's eloquent models. Never modify your live site's database directly. Instead, work with exports in a staging environment to ensure data integrity before going live. Step 7 covers mapping your content structure. Align your posts, pages, and taxonomies with Laravel's eloquent ORM. This step ensures that your content hierarchy is accurately represented in your new application. Step 8 is keeping your URL structure consistent. Preservation is key to maintaining search rankings, so keep your existing slugs identical whenever possible. Avoid unnecessary changes to your URL patterns during the migration. Step 9 is configuring your routes. Build search-friendly routing in Laravel by using slug-based URLs and named routes. Implement route caching and proper fallback routes to handle any unmatched URLs gracefully. Step 10 focuses on migrating your meta titles and descriptions. Use blade sections to dynamically inject your SEO data. Properly structured layout files will ensure your search appearance remains consistent across all pages. Finally, Step 11 is moving your images correctly. Maintain your file paths and alt text. Utilize packages like Spady Media Library to handle image conversions and ensure that all media is correctly accounted for in your new Laravel-based site. Step 12 is crucial: configuring 301 redirects. You must permanently map your old WordPress URLs to your new Laravel routes to preserve your link equity. Whether you use server-level Nginx configs or Laravel middleware, ensure every single old link has a direct destination. Step 13 focuses on testing. Before going live, use tools like Screaming Frog to validate your redirects, ensuring there are no chains or loops. A loop, where A redirects to B and back to A, will severely damage your crawlability and user experience. Step 14. Maintain internal link equity. Update all hard-coded links within your content to point to the new Laravel routes. A database-wide search and replace, followed by a full crawl, is the most efficient way to keep your site's internal structure intact. Step 15 is building your new XML sitemap. Help search engines discover your pages by submitting a comprehensive sitemap of the Laravel site. Remember to exclude non-indexable areas, prioritize your most important pages, and automate daily updates. Step 16. Optimize crawl access. Properly configure your robots.txt file to guide crawlers away from sensitive areas like admin panels, while ensuring they have full access to your public content, CSS, and JavaScript files for accurate rendering. Step 17. Restore your structured data. Don't lose those rich snippets. Re-implement your article, breadcrumb, and organization schema markup. Proper JSON LD implementation in your Laravel blade views is vital for maintaining your visibility in search results. Step 18 is running a full technical SEO audit. Use your checklist to verify that all pages return a 200 status code, that the site is mobile-friendly, and that all metadata is correctly formatted on every single page before launch. Step 19. Optimize for speed and user experience. Aim for excellent core web vital scores by leveraging Laravel's caching capabilities, optimizing your assets with Vite, and tuning your server settings to ensure lightning-fast load times. Step 20 is your final pre-launch checklist. Perform one last thorough QA pass to ensure everything, from tracking analytics to contact forms, is functional. On launch day, deploy during low traffic hours to minimize disruption. Step 21. Deploy the website. Follow a strict protocol. Place the old site in maintenance mode, sync the final database, and execute the DNS switch. Always keep a backup of the old site accessible, just in case an immediate rollback is needed. Step 22. Inform the search engines. Immediately submit your sitemap to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools post-launch. Manual index requests for key pages can further accelerate the discovery of your newly launched site. Step 23. Track your performance. Closely monitor your Search Console and Analytics dashboard daily. A slight initial dip is normal, but with these steps followed correctly, your ranking should stabilize and likely improve within the first 2 months. Step 24 is resolving errors fast. Have a clear workflow ready. Detect, diagnose, fix, and verify. Addressing crawl errors and performance drops quickly is the best way to maintain your site's health and SEO standing after migration. When executed properly, this migration plan leads to significant performance gains. Expect a faster site, stable or improved keyword rankings, and a 100% preservation of your SEO signals through those critical 301 redirects. You've now seen the full 24-step roadmap to migrating from WordPress to Laravel. By planning carefully and validating every technical detail, you ensure your SEO is not just preserved, but positioned for long-term growth. Start your migration today.